Hey math friends. So what we're going to do today, we are going to review our expressions, how to combine like terms, distributive property, and then we're going to go in and do some complex expressions. So let's just review combining like terms really quickly. So I have the expression here, 5x plus 2 minus 3x plus 4. I want to get this as simplified as possible, so I need to put like things together. Remember, when you're combining like terms, you can only combine terms that have the same variable or terms that are constants. And remember, a constant is just simply a number. So let's do our boxes, circles, whatever shape you want. You can use different colors. And I'm going to box 5x, and I'm going to box that negative 3x. Don't forget to include that minus sign as a negative there. And then I'm going to use a different shape and different color for 2 and 4 because they're both constants. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to rewrite these, and I'm going to write 5x, maybe, minus 3x beside each other, and then I'm going to write plus 2 plus 4 beside each other. 5 minus 3 is 2x, 2 plus 4 is 6, so my new expression here, simplified expression, is 2x plus 6. So that's combining like terms. Now we're going to review distributive property. Remember, distribute means to give out. So I'm going to give out this 3 to everything inside parentheses, or I'm going to multiply it to everything inside parentheses. Now we have learned this box method where we put the term outside parentheses, the coefficient, in front of the box. You separate your terms inside the box and put them up top. 3 times 4x gives us 12x. 3 times 7 gives us 21. So my new expression is 12x plus 21. You could also do it this way. 3 times 4x plus 3 times 7 and get the same answer. Whichever method works for you is totally fine with me. So that's combining like terms and distributive property. Now let's do a few complex expressions. And what I mean by a complex expression is you might have to distribute multiple times and then combine like terms. So here's a simple example. 5 times 3 plus 7 times 2. Well, we know order of operations, PEMDAS, right? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We do parentheses first. Well, there's nothing but a constant in parentheses, so we're going to distribute first. So 5 times 3. Well, we know that is 15. And then we're going to do 7 times 2, which gives us 14. So 15 plus 14 is, is 29. Okay? Pretty simple. So what you notice is we had to simplify this before we could add our numbers. So now I have these two expressions. So for A, let's look at that one. I have 8 times 3x plus 2 plus 5 times x plus 3. So you see this is a little bit more complex because there's 2 sets of distributing that we have to do. So let's do that. So I'm going to use the box method just because I like it. And for this first one, I'm going to do 8 out in front, 3x up top, plus 2 up top. 8 times 3x gives me 24x. 8 times 2 gives me 16. So I know that that is 24x plus 16. Now I'm going to do the other one here. So you might need a little bit of room on your paper. 5 goes out in front, x goes up top, plus 3 goes up top. 5 times 1x is 5x. 5 times 3 is 15. So my new expression is 5x plus 15. And we're adding these two things. So, here we go. Now we need to find our like terms and combine them. I have 24x and I have plus 5x. And I also have plus 16 and plus 15. So I'm going to combine.
Winway, please call into the office. Winway.
Excuse that, guys. So now I'm going to combine my like terms. 24x plus 5x and 16 plus 15. 24 plus 5 is 29 x's. 16 plus 15 is 31. So my new expression is 29x plus 31. All right. So let's do this. I'm gonna erase just a little bit of this. If you need to, go back and watch the video and you can pause it where you need to. So we have another complex expression in B. 6 times 2x plus 5 plus 2 times 5x minus 11. So I'm going to use the other method this time for those of you that like that. So I'm going to do 6 times 2x plus 6 times 5, and I get 12x plus 30. And then I'm going to bring this down and I'm going to do 2 times 5x plus 2 times, don't forget that, I didn't get it there. Don't forget that 11 is now a minus 11 or a negative 11. So 2 times 5x is 10x, 2 times negative 11 is negative 22. So I've got these two sets of expressions, 12x plus 30 plus 10x minus 22. Again, we're going to combine like terms. 12x plus 10x plus 30 minus 22. Don't forget to include the sign in front of it. 12x plus 10x gives me 22x. And then 30 minus 22 gives us positive 8. So our new expression is 22x plus 8. So that is complex expressions. Make sure that you do the practice for this, and we will go over a little bit more later. Good luck, guys.